Good day, viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with David. I'm Victor Adeole Adeleke. Here, my major focus, my major plight is to teach you mathematics from the onset, even up to tertiary institution. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share these videos. They are very important so that when I post helpful materials, you will always get notified. Okay, let's see what we can do. We want to quickly provide a solution to, okay, let's say we have that y is equals to the tangent of x. Okay, now majority of us ran here to come view this, to come and check out this video due to an upload that I posted recently, a short upload that I posted, and I drew a table and I placed their values and their derivatives inside. So you may be thinking that you had to cram such a complex table before going to an exam hall. No, you don't need to cram it. Just understand the system of operation of mathematics and you get that all coming out as a pack of cards. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Let me quickly see how I can do this quickly. Now we know that this is tangent of x, and we know that tangent of x, because sine divided by cos, so we can simplify that to say sine x all divided by cos x is going to give me tangent of x. So it has been rewritten in another manner. So we can say this is u and this is your what? Is your v. So this automatically applies. You can only use the quotient rule to bring out what? To bring out the solution or the derivative for what? The function y or the function x, which is equals to tan x. So let's see what we can go about that. How we can go about that. So let's see. So automatically we know that du dx, if you differentiate sine x, you're going to get what? You're going to get cos x, which is the cosine of x. And if you differentiate v with respect to x still, you're going to get a negative sine of x. So with that, we can just go straight using our formula. Dy dx we know is equals to what? V du dx minus what? Minus u dv dx all divided by what? By v squared. So therefore, dy dx would be equals to what is v now? V is what? Is the cos of x times what is du dx? Du dx is also cos x. So minus what? Minus u, and what is u? We know that our u is what? Is sine of x. So sine of x productive with dv dx. So we have a negative sign, so automatically here becomes positive. So we have another sine of x. So you know why it became positive? It was negative before, but this negative from this dv dx productive with this will result finally to what? To positive. So all divided by what? By your v square, and that will be cosine square x, because v is what? Is the cos of x, what is the cosine of x. So therefore dy dx is going to be equals to what? You can see this is cos square x plus sine square x all divided by what? The cos square x. Now what does that mean? You can just simplify and say now what does cos square x plus sine square x means? Now if you check one of my videos that I've recently done, you will see I was proving it's titled the proof of Pythagorean identities. So if you check it out, you'll find out that I solved and everything here at the numerator became 1. So this is automatically 1. If you're familiar with your trigonometric identities, you will understand what I did there. So this is 1 all over the what? The cosine squared x. And what is that? Cosine square. Whenever you see 1 over cos x, that's and what? That is sec x. So this becomes sec square x, because this is cosine squared x. So once you've done that, now let's quickly see what will be the cotangent of s. The cotangent of s. So this is the same as the inverse of what? Of tan x. So you can just, some persons write it like that, saying that cot x is equals to 1 over tan x. So if you are doing that now, you can say that y, okay, probably you might not see that correct. Maybe you may not, because of the screen. So let me write it here. So what I said was cot x is equals to 1 all over the tan of x. So we can do that here. We can rewrite this to become what? 1 over the tan of x. And what is that? What is the tan of x? The tan of x is sine x over cos x. So when you do that, it becomes 1 all over, let's try to be discrete and clean. So we have the sine of x all divided by what? The cosine of x. So when you do that, that inverts automatically and becomes the cosine of x all divided by the sine of x. And this is u while this is v. So automatically we have du dx to be what? To be minus sine x, and dv dx is equals to what? Cosine of x. So once we've gotten that, now dy dx automatically equals, I don't need to write it again, since we have been able to establish the formula that we would be using since it's a quotient problem. So we can say, what is v? V automatically becomes sine of x, and we have du dx, so we have negative squared. Okay, why? Because, okay, v du ds here. So du ds is negative sine, and v is what? Is the sine of x. So you can see they put it together and becomes sine square x. So minus what? Minus, we have u. What is u there? U is what? U is the cosine of x, then producing with what? The cosine of x, which is the cos squared x. That's the same thing that will happen here. So automatically, what do we have here? Let me write this well. Is the cos squared x. So what do we have? All divided by v squared. So we have sine square x. So you can see factorizing. So just a dy dx here will be equals to factoring out the negative sign. We have sine square x plus what? Plus cos square x, all divided by what? The sine square x. And everything here result to finally becoming dy dx equals to 1 or negative 1 over what? Over sine square x. And what is the sine square x? When you say 1 divided by sine, yes, 1 divided by sine is going to be cosec. Yes. So we have the negative cosec x. So that's it. So that's the final result. That's the final result. That's what it will come out to be at last. That what, if you differentiate this, it will finally fall back or fall down to becoming the negative. If you define the derivative of y equals to cotangent x, you are going to get what? The negative cosec x. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe, like and share this video. Stay tuned.